guys! Welcome to my channel! Hey guys! It's nice to be back in YouTube. So today, we're heading to Batangas. Yeah, that's where my nephew, my only nephew that was diagnosed with blood cancer last year. But God is just so good. He's having remission already. So we're praying that this year, God's willing, no, cancer-free na siya. But as per the doctor, he still have 1 more year for chemotherapy. So, yan. So, we're heading to Batangas nga, from north to south, with our new vehicle. Yay! God is so good. So, yeah. As you notice, we're missing 1 member of the family, and that's Samuel, which is already in UK. He's doing, trying his, what do you call that? His luck to football. Kung may club na makita sa niya. So, nasa academy siya ngayon. So, yeah. We have a big car now, but we're only 3 in the family na. But anyway. So, yeah. Keep you posted, guys. Bye!
Whoa. A little bit of luck, he'll get a puncture. Look at this.
Just stay here.
Look.
Oh gosh.
That's been hit and turned around. He's lucky still be alive. And they got a baby. Look, a little baby with them. Look. What, hit by this?
Gosh. No.
No.
No. There you go, heading there. Nakakaloka po ang ulan.
What?
Batangas. I think it's a bit scary.
Whose car?
May either of yours.
Oh,
Will
mine's alright.
protect us in this.
How deep is this?
Nice. Look at that.
Just-
Nice. It's layo po nito. Grabe.
See all that in.
So we're here, guys, after 6 hours of travel. We're here after 6.5 of travel. Say hi, Bella. Hi, Daddy. Are you tired? We're so hungry na.
So where do you park?
Yeah, so yeah. We're here, guys.
Where am I
Bye.
parking, Mum?
So hey guys, andito na kami sa birthday ng aking pamangkin, 7th birthday. So meron konting salo-salo dito. Tapos ayan yung kids. At ito naman ang aking pamangkin guwapo. So the rain is raining so bad. So yun lang, nakakaloka yung ulan. Birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Wish! 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 Do you have wish? Wish! In your mind only. Sa sarili mo lang. May wish ka na? Okay, very good. Oh, you can blow the other one. Blow this one. Yan. One more. Ay. Okay. 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 You pull mo to. Hilahin mo to, nak. Hilahin mo. Dali. Hilahin mo, nak. Dalawang kamay. Dalawang kamay. Dali, hila mo, nak. Dalawang kamay. Go! Ayan na. Hila pa. Go! Ayan. Happy birthday, Anton! Hindi, 7 yan. 7. Kasi 7,000 yan. Tito Mark. Ate Bella. Ate Bella. You're welcome. Yay! Daming pera ni Anton. our room, which is here. Pakita ko sa inyo, guys. So,
So you want
ito
to sleep in the little
siya.
tiny bed instead of the big one?
Ah, so it's like this. Cute lang din siya, no?
You can't see outside.
I'm not gonna swim.
Ah,
I'm not
like
even
this.
It's so rainy.
You won't want to swim in that. It's
Yeah,
far too
like
cold.
mom's like, I want to swim.
Okay, sa dagat. So, ito po yung resort. Halika, ma. Ito ang aking nanay. Say hi, mother. Tapos ito. So, parang siyang private resort, guys. So, ari ko. Cute. Ah, sa duyan. Ah, sige, sandali, ma. Ang lamig nga. Ang lamig. Biglang lumamig, eh, no? Biglang lumamig, ma. Good morning, Lobo Batangas. Good morning, everyone. Good morning lang kayo dito. Nagbablog kasi ako eh. Hello, Shermil, ganda. Sarap naman ang aming almusal. Nice. So,
Malalim na eh.
ganda dun, no?
Ay mo na kayo.
So, heading home na
Ayun,
maya
dito,
maya.
ganda
Tapos
ka,
may
diba?
papa, may tatay.
Tara, sikasuyin na natin.
Daddy.
Hindi
Ah,
ko.
bibi. Oo. Gusto ko biko.
Yeah.
Sa plastic na lang. So, we're heading home. So, ito nga po ang Palo, Batangas. So, in terms of number of people, mas konti yung pupunta. Tapos, yesterday, sobrang mabato siya dito. Ayan. But now, mas better na pala. Kaso lang we're heading home na. Ang layo pa namin. So, join us as we go in a while. Thank you, guys. Bye. Waiting for the resort, guys. Mamaya pa kasi sila uuwi. And since we're from north, we need to go home. Ganyan kataas, oh. Ang cool. We had fun naman. Very private. Wala pa masyadong tao. And, yeah, it will take us maybe 5 hours from this place. So, pakita ko po sa inyo kung saan kami nagpunta. Dito. Yan. Gem Tropical Game Resort. Yan. So, see you guys later. Bye! Ang taas, oh. So, sa taas ka magpa-park. And then you will see how nice it is here. Oh, look. Diba po, ang ganda. We're heading back home. How's your one night, Daddy?
Huh?
How's your one night?
What do you want me to say? Is that right?
What about you, Bella? Did you have a nice sleep? Where are you, Bella?
I'm tired.
You're tired. So, we're heading back home. So, as you can see, talagang very much province, no? Ang lugar ng Lobo, Batangas. Yan. So, sana walang ulan because yesterday is really terrible rain. So, we're heading back home. Thank you for joining us today. And I thank God for the life of my nephew that I hope and pray by God's grace he will be cancer-free very, very soon. Thank you guys for joining. Bye! Like Baguio.
He's done in there, look.
Accident, guys.
That's a jeepney, look.
Oh gosh. Hopefully no one is there.
Lucky you got out of that. Jesus Christ.
Ang ganda.